we're headed to Jackson for the state finals this weekend. Jack 60 is the bowling alley. 10 students in each district regionals made it to the finals, which comes up with 60 girls and 60 boys. They'll bowl 6 games, and the top 16 will advance, and then they'll go head-to-head 2-game totals until they get to a champion. I'm taking Nate Brown and Shaylin A's this year, which is very cool. They both bowled way above their average to qualify, and it looks like they got a good shot to do something this weekend, so we'll have to go and see what happens.
Well, Shaylin, congratulations on making it to the state finals. How do you feel?
I feel excited, nervous.
Talk about how Saturday went for you.
I was shooting my shot, making my mark, and my last game was a 213. I was happy about that, and I'm like, okay, I probably made it. And then when the lady was calling out, I'm like, oh my gosh, I got 4th. Like, I wanted to cry, but I held it in.
Yeah. Talk about someone. There was a rumor out there that you broke your shoes. Was it in the 4th game?
Yeah, my 4th game, my heel fell off, and I kind of slipped and fell, and I fouled. And then the rest of the games, I bowled in house shoes.
And how was that?
It was pretty weird. I just had to adjust to them.
Yeah. Talk about, are you excited about this coming weekend?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah. It's a lot of bowling. I mean, would that be the most you bowled in a day? Do you think if you make it all the way to the finals?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. What's your mindset going in though? I mean, do you have any? Did you do anything mentally to get ready for this?
I'm just practicing. That's all.
Well, good luck this weekend.
Thank you.
Well, Nate, congratulations on making it to the state finals. How do you feel about this?
I'm feeling like really happy and I guess blessed at the same time.
Yeah. Talk about how the weekend went for you. A lot of bowling on Friday and you're back on Saturday. Talk about how Saturday went.
Saturday went a lot better than I thought it would. I at first thought it was like you're coming off of a good game, you don't want to choke. I mean, I stayed consistent.
Yeah. So you said the second game was the tough one for you this week?
It was the third game.
Third game.
We had went to the complete opposite side of the lanes. Lanes weren't really broken in yet. Couldn't figure it out. Ball wasn't breaking good. But after that, I pretty much I took a second and told myself that I have to pick it up.
How excited are you about bowling this weekend in the state finals?
Well, I mean, the day that I found out I placed, I didn't believe it at first. It took me a good day to like fully have it set in. Like, hey, I'm going to states.
And you're a junior.
Yeah.
So you got one more. I mean, this is going to be a good experience for you this coming weekend, right?
Yes, sir.
Good luck on Saturday.
Thank you.